Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hello?
Yes, tell me.
Nothing. I was making sure my audio was working.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, now we'll start the class. On your camera, Chavan Kaushik, Prince and Rishika. On your cameras. So, last time we have done till cylinder, right? Cone we have not done, no? Cone.
No, sir.
So, cone one small difference is there in cone and cylinder. Okay. In the volume of cylinder, if you divide by 3, you'll get the cone volume. Okay. So, here it's pi r square h. So, if you divide by 3, you'll get the volume of cone. So, volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is that? 1 by 3 pi r square h. I'll write here. Okay. So, I'll write here cone. So, volume of the cone would be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. If you're talking about cone like this, so this is h, this is r, and this is l. Okay. CSA would be pi r l. CSA would be pi r l. In TSA, what you should do? TSA simply you should add pi r square. Okay. In TSA, once extra circle is coming over here, right? So extra circle is nothing but wait, just 1 minute. So TSA will be, we should just add the circle over here, area of circle, that is pi r is pi r l plus pi r square. Now there's a small difference between h and r. H and l, sorry, h and l. So h is your vertical height, right? Vertical height, what you can see, vertical height. And L is a slant height, okay? Slant height. So you take this triangle like this. This is a 90-degree. This is a vertical height. This is slant height, and this is your radius. If any two things you know in this, 1, 2, 3. Out of these 3 things, if you know any two, you can find the third one. Suppose any two, you know, you can find the third one by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, you can find this. All right. Next is I just ask you the question over here. Find the CSA of cone whose height is 24 centimeter. Height is nothing but your vertical height. If h is given, no, vertical height, and radius is 7 centimeter. All will find. So find the CSA of cone whose height is 24 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter. Send me the chat box fast. Harini, on your camera, Harini.
Yes.
Aman on your camera, Aman. Send the answer fast. No one got the answer till now. CSA formula is pi r L. So L we don't know. This part is H. Okay. So L is equals to, if you find L is equal to what will get 25 by Pythagoras theorem. Got it? L is equal to 25. By applying Pythagoras theorem, if you don't know, apply here. You know that Pythagoras theorem. Those who doesn't know, just ask me. Applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get L is equals to 25. So 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7, and L is 25. 7 cancelled. Now you can just multiply 25 into 22. 25 into 20 is 500. 550 is the answer. 550 centimeters square. 550 centimeters square. That's all. Next comes sphere. Okay. Sphere now we'll just do cone. So a sphere is your full like ball kind of shape here. This is sphere. So sphere volume, if you see, sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. If you are talking about sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I'll write here separately. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. CSA and TSA formula will remain the same. CSA, TSA will not. Only surface area you can write. What is surface area, Harini, for the sphere?
So CSA.
Yes.
So is it 4 pi r square?
Yes. 4 pi r square. CSA is 4 pi r square. If you see the hemisphere over here, the hemisphere is just half of the sphere. If a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 divided by 2 is 2 by 3, right? See how 2 by 3 is coming over here? 4 by 3 divided by 2. If you do, what will get? 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So answer will come what? 2 by 3. That's why writing here volume of hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So CSA and TSA both will be like, how to easy way to remember, I'll tell you right now. Just wait 1 minute. So CSA would be 2 pi r square and TSA is 3 pi r square. How it is coming, just try to understand. I'll tell you the easy way to remember how to remember this, okay? So volume you can remember easily, 4 by 3 pi r cube and 2 by 3 pi r cube. When you are talking about surface area, means curved surface area, only numerator you have to see, numerator. So numerator is 4 by 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Sorry, cube is not there, children. This is square, not cube. Surface area is always square form. It's not cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume. And surface area, that is total surface area or curved surface area, both are same. Because there is no flat thing anywhere, right? So 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere. Numerator part just you see, okay? So next part is your hemisphere. Hemisphere just numerator is 2. Denominator is 3. So you can check it out here. CSA is 2 pi r square and TS is 3 pi r square. It's very easy to remember. Okay. So formula part is over. From our side, formula part is over. Now we'll start with the question. Okay, we'll start with the question now. So 13.1, you can just open. We'll start with the question number 1. So a plastic box is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and centimeter is given. First, you be sure that all the dimensions are in same this thing, same centimeter or meter or whatever it is. Same dimension should be there. Either you convert everything into centimeter or you can convert everything into meters. Okay. It is opened at the top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. There is no thickness at all. Okay. So normally you try to understand here length, breadth, and height. All three are given over here. And top part is not there. It's opened at the top. So the area of sheet required for making the box. How much area is required? There are two formulas over there. Okay, two formulas are required. Either you can use TSA also, CSA also. But you have to add and subtract. Rishika, you know how to just find the area of the required box?
Is there a LBH?
Yes. This is a cuboidal box over here. How to find the area of sheet if top part is opened? Which formula you can apply over here, Rishika? Do you know or not?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir.
Why? It's very easy now. You know total surface area of the cuboid, TSA of cuboid, you know?
Yes, sir. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
And top part is not there in this box. Top part is not there. You can subtract LB from there. That formula.
Okay, sir.
You can subtract the top part. Top part is what? LB only, no?
Okay, sir.
Either you can use that formula or we can use the 4-wall formula like 2 into L plus B into H plus LH. Any one formula you can apply and get the answers. I'll write the formula over here on the top. 1 minute. So formula I'll write here. You can either use first formula, that is TSA of cuboid minus LB you can do, or second is your LSA of cuboid minus what? Sorry, plus LB you can do. So any one you can formula you can use because top part, this is a part of what? Top. So here we are adding the part and here we are subtracting the part, okay? So any formula you can use, any one of the formula and get the answers. Okay. After getting the answers, you have to multiply with 20 to get the second answer. Okay. The area, the first one. First answer into 20 you do. So that is the answer for the second one. Just tell me, someone got the answer for this? 550. How is 550? In centimeter you have done?
No, sir, that's for the previous question.
Okay, all right. So try to find in meter square only because answer is here. The cost is given in meter square. If you do in centimeter square also, not a problem. If centimeter answer you are getting, so you should convert it to meter square and then multiply by 20. So your wish, how you are going to find this, okay? कुछ के लिए गया वहां से मतलब कुछ के लिए क्या होगा देखो थोड़ा रहने दो तुम खिलाओ yes find So all of you can check over here. I'm just showing you. So if you see what this one area, that is coming as 5.45 meters square. All of you got the same answer. Check it out. 2 into, I just done here area of 4 walls plus LB I have done. Okay. If you want me to do that area to TSA minus LB, then the same answer will come. Okay. If anyone is having problem with this answer, if you're not getting this answer, just let me know. Harini, why your camera is off still? Harini, can you hear me? So cost of sheet would be 5.45 into 20. That is 109 rupees. So I move to the question number 2. Kaushik.
Okay. Sir.
So here question is the length, breadth and height of room is given here. LBH. So we should white wash we should do for the walls and the ceiling. The same type, similar question as the number 1. Okay. We have to all the 4 walls we should whitewash and ceiling also. It means top we should cover. So down part is not there. So floor is excluded. It means same thing. Before formula what we have used similar formula. Okay. Either TSA minus LB you do or LSA plus LB. Okay, your wish. Just tell me the answer, how much coming off.
So is it 405 rupees?
405, no. So, 74 is coming as area of this. Okay.
I forgot to add a length into breadth.
And then you have to multiply with 7.50. Those who are not getting this, check it out over here. So final answer is 555. Do question number third. Now try to understand question number third. A floor of rectangular hall has a perimeter 250. Rectangular hall is nothing but perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? L into L 2 into L plus B. I'll just write on the top. Okay. Hint I'll write on the top. So 2 into L plus B is given as 250. Okay. So L plus B directly you can write that is 125. Correct. This is equation number 1 you got. I'll just give you the hint for the question number third. Okay. Cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. This is your main, you can't understand this properly and all, okay? So I'll tell you what to do in this. Is given that cost of painting. If you're going to cost the painting the 4 walls, so what you should do? Means 2 into L plus B into H. This is 4 walls. Multiply by 10 if you do. How much price should get? 15,000. Okay. So from this, you can get height easily, right? From the second equation, you get height, right or not? So they are asking here, that's all. You should know use of this one. L plus B 125 use here. See 2 into 125 into H into 10 is equals to 15,000. Find height now, children. Find the height. I given a whole solution only right now. Find the height for this. L plus B is given so that you can just help it out. That's all. Only hint is given.
Sir, is height 6? Sir, H is equals to 6.
Get dance.
So 6.
Yeah, 6 is the correct answer, I think. So I'll just erase the top part right now. Anyone having doubt in this? So mainly you should understand the area of 4 walls. That price is given, no? How to find the cost? It's simple concept that if you know the area of 4 walls, multiply by the cost per meter square. Then you'll get what? Total price of it. Okay. Is it clear? So the floor rectangular hall is this much. Yes, all right. Next question is question number 4. So here question is the paint of a certain container is sufficient for to paint area of this much. Okay. So means one container can paint 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension this can be painted of this container? How many bricks you can paint? See, one thing you understand here, container area is given in meter square, but your brick area is given in centimeter, right? So both should be in same dimension. I'll tell you one thing. See, this is your paint, okay? This can paint how much? 9.375 meters square. See, this total area can paint the bricks. We are going to paint the bricks only, no? But how many bricks we don't know. We just let X bricks are there, okay? So this total area of the paint, how much it can do, is equals to what? Total area of the bricks, correct? So what you should do, area of paint container, right? Or area of what is it right here? Area of painted, area to be painted by a container. I'll write once again here. Area to be painted by container is equals to X into what? X into area of each brick, right? Area of each brick means what? TSA of each brick, right, children? Try to understand. TSA of each brick. Got it? So area to be painted by container is what? TSA of each brick into X. All right. And brick part you can convert into what? Meter if you want. So each part, suppose 22.5 is there. You divide by 100. You also divide by 100. You divide by 100. That you can do. Right. Or you can convert meter square into what? Centimeter square. That is what will come. 9.375 into 100 into 100 you can do. To convert it to what? Centimeter square. So your wish. Either you convert the total paint area into centimeter square or brick dimension into meters. Okay. So what you do here? Better you try to do this bigger, bigger dimension, that into a smaller one. So you can do it as 9.375 into 100 into 100 is equals to X into 22.5 into 10 into 7.5. While finding X, you send these all the things to where? Left hand side. Okay. So what do you get, children, here? X is equals to, you'll get it as X is equals to 9.375 into 100 into 100 divided by 22.5 into 10 into 7.5. Okay, like this.
Sir, I got the same answer.
What you can do? You can.
Sir, I got the same answer.
But I've not got till answer. I not reached only. We should solve this. That's the main problem. But
Sir, but I got an
yeah, like
Sir,
yes, tell me, Pranya.
sir, actually I have my exam like day after tomorrow, math exam, and I had a doubt in one question like from Heron's formula.
You can send me on WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
And why you're joining late? Suddenly you have a doubt and all. You should join early, no?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was studying. I was like finding all of my doubts, and then I wanted to join the class.
After the end moment, every time you have the same problem. Sometimes you forget while studying,
No, sir.
So if you solve this part, what you will get, just try to understand what you will get after this formula is this part you solve now. This is a part of question number 4. Okay. So down is mentioned down over here. You can check it out here, children. The same thing is mentioned over here, the different way. Answer is coming as 100. Check it out. See here what I have done. I just converted into what? This into same thing I have done actually. This part we have converted into centimeter square. Already it's converted into centimeter square. All right. So answer is 100, children. Try to understand. Pranaya, on your camera.
Sir, I did it before and I got the same answer.
Okay.
Sir, I sent you the question.
Your question I will solve right now only. See, what is her question, children? Try to understand. Her question is, one triangle is there, okay? This triangle percentage, they're asking find the percent increase in the area of triangle if each side is doubled. If you make that side double, how much percentage increase will happen? Okay. See, whenever finding percent increase formula, anyone can tell me for what is the formula for this? Percentage increase how much? What you can write?
The difference between two values and
Okay.
original value into 100.
Percentage increase formula, can you tell me? Harani, you know the formula for this?
So what is it?
Percentage increase. Suppose one number is 3, right? This
Yes.
number becomes 12. How much percentage this number increased? So what is the formula for percentage increase? If I ask you,
Sir,
we can say this is 3 to 12 it reached, no? So how much percentage increased?
Sir, the
sir,
How
12
much
minus
increase?
3 by 100. Right?
No.
12 minus 3 by total into 100.
How much increase divided by initial? No, initial how much is this? Into 100, right? So increase is how much? 9 divided by 3 into 100, right? So answer is 300%. Understood?
Okay.
So here what we'll get? Suppose this is triangle we take. Okay, Pranya. We'll take this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So area of this triangle is how much? Simply we take. It's not compulsory. Just take this one. So half base into height. So half base into height. The answer will come 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing if you take like this. W made this one. Now it becomes half into 24, right? So now answer if you do, what you'll get? 24 minus 6, that is 18. So 18 by 6 into 100. So this is here also covered come 300%. Understood here, Pranaya?
So
Both
it's
are-
300%.
Yes.
It's the same for any triangle.
कौन है? मिसिल कौन मार रहा है? मिसिल कौन मार रहा है? क्यों मार रही हो? बाप रे. So 300% is the answer. Hey? 300% is the answer. Right? Understood, Pranaya?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Now we are doing question number this one, 5th one. So here question is cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. And the cubical box is 12 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, and 8 centimeter high. Which box has greater LSA and how much? You can find easily, right? Two condition you can make. One is for cubical, second one is cuboidal, okay?
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
साइड में वो जगह होगा डाल दो ये वाला फोन का है ना वो सॉकेट उधर से डालना है डाल दो
उधर डालने आता है
डाल दो फिर
पीछे से
इधर नहीं साइड से है इधर से साइड नहीं उस साइड है हाँ
देखें
So LSA formula I told you to everyone. Just simply find the LSA formula and just write the answer for this.
Why do I have a message to do? भेजी क्यों बताया
अभी काटे ना हम
जिसका मतलब हम उस दिन लगाए थे आप काट रहे थे उस दिन लगाए थे आपको फोन नंबर याद है आपको मेरा फोन नंबर याद है आपका फोन नंबर हमको याद है अरे मॉल में पूछ रही थी मेरा फोन नंबर याद है बोले नहीं फिर बोले हाँ याद है बोला 766 तुम याद कर लो क्या बड़ा होना तो बात करते रहता कुछ है दीपिका नहीं आई दीपिका अब दीपिका नहीं आएगी
आएगी
और मैंने बलून था इसका सीरियल आया
You got the answer for the first one? Neil,
Sir.
first answer you got?
No, sir.
I'll show you the first one. See here. If you see the lateral surface area of the cubical box, it's coming 400. Because this formula is 4a square, right? If cuboidal check, this is 360. So how much is greater? It's greater by 40, right?
Yes, sir.
Second part, you see the total surface area. So ulta it's happening here, right? So 6a square, the answer is 600. And this is how much? 610. 2LB, BH, HL, LH. 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 2LB, BH Moving to the next question. So this is very interesting question. Try to understand. One greenhouse herbarium is there, is mainly entirely glass panes, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. LBH is given. Okay. So what is the area of the glass? Okay. Entirely top glass, including the base, held together with tape. What is the area of glass? So total surface area we have to find. Okay. Obviously, this is base, everything you should write. Now, how much tape is needed to for its 12 edges? So I made with tape, right? One green color, one is your red color, and one is your gray color. 3 colors I made a tape. Can you see in the diagram? Now you can understand it
Sir.
better. TSA is very easy question. So tape is 3 colors I have made here: lengthwise, widthwise, and height-wise. Okay. So everything you multiply 4L, 4B, 4H. So simple question. Find the answer first.
Sir, I got the answer.
Got the answer? Okay. So TSA, if you check 2LB, so 2LB is nothing but 30 into 25, that is 750. Plus BH, 625. Plus LH, that is 25 into 30, again 750. 750, 750, 1500. Then 2000, 2002 into
125.
2125, no?
2125 into 2 is 425.
What is it?
Centimeter square. This is the final answer. And this first one is very easy. That is 4L, 4B and all. Okay, move to the next question.
अब आप बदमाश करोगे छुट्टी किए हो देखे छुट्टी किए हो देखिए इसको फोन पे बात करना है हेलो इधर के
This is a bit bigger question actually. And some extra things coming overlapping is coming over here. The total surface area I'm finding, then I'm just finding extra things and all. They've done so many things over here. Okay. Santi Sweet stall is placing an order. Okay. For making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension 25, 25 and the smaller of dimension 15, 12, 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So find if the cost of the cardboard is ₹4 for 1000 centimeters square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay. So I found here TSA of the total box, this bigger box one. I found here 11450. So there are 250 boxes are there, right? So I just multiplied this 250 with 1250. So this is the answer for the first box. Okay. Similarly, for the smaller boxes, one smaller box is 630. So 250 small box is how much? 157500. Okay. So these are the basics area what I will find here. Now overlapping also is taking place over here, right? So this parts we found for the bare box. Now overlapping we should do. Now TSA of 250 box, smaller, bigger. This is a total thing. Okay. For bigger and smaller boxes. 5% extra is coming into picture. This is the most important part over here. We are getting 26,000. So total including of overlapping is 546,000. Now here the question is, rupees 4 is taking for 1000 centimeters square. So this much is how much? It's very simple. 4 into this much you do divided by 1000. That's all. Whenever they'll give, remember one shortcut I will tell you. See, if they give here 1 centimeter square, rupees 4 for 1 centimeter square. So simply you multiply by 4. Suppose it's coming 546,000, right? Simply you multiply by 4. You'll get the answer. If they give here 1000 centimeter square or something like that, 1000. So what is the answer you're getting? You should divide by 1000. Okay. Or if you don't want to remember this, you can forget in future. Then here you can see 1000 is 4. So like unitary method we have read in class 8th. Can you see this box? 1000 centimeter square is 4 rupees. So for this much centimeter square, X rupees. So just simply draw cross multiplication, get the answer. So your wish, how you are going to understand. Clear to everyone? Just check it out. If any part you have doubt, you can ask me. So that's for today. Next class we do. So you are having this time MCQs based on this chapter only. Okay.
Sir, I have another doubt. Can I like send it to you? Like it's very small.
It's very small.
Yeah, like the question is small, but it's like a little confusing.
You send me on WhatsApp and later we can do, because my class will start at 6:50. I have to start my own other class right now. That's why. Okay, Pranya. So send me on WhatsApp. I'll try to clarify there. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, sorry, I was taking the screenshot. Yeah.
Okay, then that's for today. You can leave now. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir.